Hello, my name is Charlotte. On this video, I would like to show you how to create a new gauge type using Artintech ERP system. Currently, we are on the dashboard. From here, we will scroll down to Calibration. Click on Calibration and then click on Gauge Types. Now you are in Gauge Type List. Go ahead and click on New. From here, you will write in any gauge type detail. So here we will write in your gauge type, which will be in inches. The measuring range will be from 2 to 3 inches. Resolution will be 0.001 and units in inches. From there, you will scroll down and write in any calibration instructions. I will go ahead and write in, when doing calibration, control the humidity. From there, you can go ahead and add in your parameters. For the name, I will use size 1, measuring size 2.0000, tolerance 0.001, tolerance 0.001, units, inches. From there, I will scroll down and click Save. I will go ahead and do that 2 more times. So now we have 3 sizes. From here, we will scroll down and we will add in any attachments we have in our attachment box, clicking New, or any applicable standards and relative documents, clicking on New. Once you are done entering in all your information, you can scroll down and click Save. That is all for creating a new gauge type. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more.